Hey guys, it is LaMeel, the priestess. Welcome to LaMeel TV and our Alignment with Miracles series. And this is day 2 of that miracle series. If you missed day 1, please pause here, go back, watch day 1, get through that, do that journaling, and then come back and join us. It's no race. Work at your own pace. So today's topic in aligning with miracles is being open to miracles. Like, you can't align to miracles if you are mentally, spiritually, emotionally closed off to miracles. So today is simply a day of affirmation. And if you're watching this in the evening, then I want you to take tomorrow and have that be your day of affirmation. And so what you're going to be doing today to help open yourself up to miracles, like that's your intention. You're going to set your intention. Today, I'm going to open myself up to miracles. That's number 1. So write that in your journal. Today, I'm going to open myself up to miracles. And your affirmation is, I am open to miracles. I'm open to miracles all day long. Every time you think of it, you can put it on a 3x5 index card. I'm open to miracles. I'm open to miracles. I'm open to miracles. Yada, yada, yada. I'm open to miracles. And that is your day's affirmation. Now, these practices are building, right? So yesterday's practice was just building your belief, right? So you now have a foundation of, I know miracles happen. Today, I'm going to open myself up to miracles. And every day, you're going to get up in the morning and say, I'm open to miracles. But in today's practice, all day long, I'm open to miracles. I'm open to miracles. And if you can keep that up for the next 28 days, that's awesome. But every day, you're going to wake up, you're going to stretch, and you're going to say, I'm open to miracles. What miracles do the universe has for me today? What miracles am I going to experience today? It's those types of things, because you're opening yourself up energetically. Other things that you can do throughout the day is to stay connected to source. So I'm assuming that if you're here, this is probably not your first, alignment manifestation type of video. And so staying connected to source helps you to align with miracles. It helps you to align with the things that you were trying to manifest, right? So staying connected. And the easiest way, right, and the most effective way that I have found that people can do in a matter of seconds to stay connected to source, to universe, to your higher being is through light, right? So if you close your eyes and you can say out loud, or you can say in your own mind, I call light. And just envision light coming down and engulfing your whole body and penetrating your physical body and then radiating back out. You're energizing yourself with light. It allows you to be connected and stay connected. Forget about the outcomes, right? So you may want a specific miracle to happen, and we'll get into that tomorrow about asking for something specific. But forget the outcome. When you get to, okay, I believe, I'm open, this is what I want, how it's going to come needs to not be a non-factor. And sometimes it's going to come in a really obvious way because you have this business, or you've created these streams where universe can easily utilize them to answer and deliver what it is that you want. But there are times when it's not going to come that way because it's not the easiest way to get it to you. And you have to be okay with that. Like, people who have money often want their money to come through their business, and they close themselves off to somebody just handing it to them or donating it to them or them finding it or there being an error, that type of thing. Keep your eyes open. Seek and you shall find, right? So start looking for miracles. Start listening to what other people are saying. Oh, there's a miracle. Now that you are awakened to the idea of miracles, you may turn on the radio and they'll be talking about miracles. You may notice that you'll hear people off in the distance go, oh my God, that's a miracle. You get what you're looking for. we always do, right? Universe will always prove us right. So whatever you think is correct. So if you believe that miracles happen to you on a regular basis, you are surrounded by miracles, then you will start to see them. It's like, have you ever said, okay, I need a new car, or I really want that car? And then all of a sudden you start seeing that car everywhere you go. And it's like, where do these cars come from? I didn't start seeing them until you aligned with the idea of that's what you wanted, right? So now start looking for miracles. You want miracles, open yourself up and start looking for miracles. And they're going to start popping up just like that car would do, or has done for you in the past. Living in gratitude. So be thankful for whatever is going on with you at the time and in this situation that you're in right now, right? Regardless of what the situation is, have gratitude. And the other thing is be somebody else's miracle. Be the miracle that you want, right? If you're in line and somebody's short $1 or something like that, give them the dollar. Be their miracle. One of the things that I used to do was leave dollar bills and sometimes $5 bills with really uplifting messages written on them on people's windshields, right? It's that never has happened to me, but I have had people not knowing my financial situation, good or bad. They might, like one day my son's coat went missing in the library, and I was just so upset. Like, who would take their coat? And this lady just walked over to me and handed me $20 and was like, "Here, maybe you can find something new." Like, my situation didn't matter. It was irrelevant. She was just being a miracle for me, right? Like, it was winter, it was snowing. I was like, somebody just literally walked out of here with my kid's coat. So you need to be that miracle. And maybe you don't have $20 to give, but maybe you have food to give. Maybe you have time to give. Maybe you can listen to someone else, but be the miracle that you need in your own life for someone else. Those things will keep you open and will help to start aligning you, will help align you really with receiving your own miracles. So that is it for day 2 and being open to miracles. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, if you did, please give me this video a thumbs up so that I can continue to do more videos like this. Subscribe if you're new here and hit the bell notification so that you can get the updates as each video comes out in a series. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in video 3.